Assalamu alaikum everyone. Similarly to the reaction back with other reaction with yo lovers, Luxembourg lovers. Back in here with Eva Marija, Eva Marija, mother nature, flock version. So, my name is Samir from Algeria, North Africa. Tomorrow continued reaction. I have depression, anxiety attack. I'm not time with deal with that, but alhamdulillah for everything. And the right comment description about my data problem we have, and you can read it, understand it, and trust and believe. And every word I'm saying here, just read it, please. That's up to you. It is your choice. And thank you so much for being here, watching. You it means so much to me if you help or something stuff like that. 3, 2, 1. And it's coming, so let's check it here fast. Yeah, sound, yeah, okay, let's go. Mother nature.
1, 2, 3, Ferah.
Wow, simple.
From the start, when all was fun and games, wasn't hard, but all good things can end. Back when I was younger, I planted a seed under the moonlight, and even when there's thunder, I go back when I wonder, who am I? From the ground to my skin, as I'm howling at the wind, then my roots in the mud, and I lean my head back, let it out, let it in, letting go of all my sins. Then my roots in the mud, and I lean my head back. Mother Nature, she knows. Mother Nature, she knows. I know that Mother Nature, she knows. Mother Nature, she knows. Mother Nature, she knows. See the leaves, how they grow back again.
Oh my God.
And I heal and learn to love myself again. Even when there's thunder, oh, I don't have to wonder, who am I? From the ground to my skin, as I'm howling at the wind, then my roots in the mud, and I lean my head back, let it out, let it in, letting go of all my sins. Then my roots in the mud, and I lean my head back. Mother Nature, she knows. Mother Nature, she knows. I know that Mother Nature, she knows. Mother Nature, she knows. Solo.
Yo, damn. Vale. Wow.
Sweet drive fair. Mother Nature, she knows. Mother Nature, she knows. I know that Mother Nature, she knows. I know that Mother Nature, she knows. Mother Nature, she knows. Mother Nature, she knows.
Wow. Oh my God.
Mother Nature, she knows.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Mother Nature, she knows.
Oh my God. you know. I'm so happy, glad to listen to this, make reaction, but oh my god, this is what I want. This everything mean to me, like, and wow. So like the video reaction and read the comment description. Maybe you will like save me from who around me here being speaking to me, where the money, where the money, where the money. When you hoping that you are hero for me, and thank you and trust, believe and searching and everything. Yo lovers, thank you so much for being here watching. Yo, see you in the video, inshallah.